2 ways of waking up right now. I need, let's see. What's the more awake weed that you have? I have Amerstalian. I think that'll do the trick. So it just sticks to everything. There's a broken piece in there. It doesn't bubble anymore. Something broke and fell in there. Go. Oh, that sucks. When you have to sneeze and you try to hold in smoke. Oh, got that. Just a couple more days of no good sound, and then I'll be able to plug in my microphone. I'm waiting for this thing to get delivered. It's gonna be a whole new day. Shit. Riding in a bucket. Probably feels like 0 degrees. It is really cold out here. Sun looks like it's going down, and it is only 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. 3:12. The sun looks like this. Amazing. Also where I should stop for shopping. Okay, this is a really difficult turn all the time. Wherever there's a Dunkin' Donuts, you're gonna find a difficult turn. Everyone wants in. That's okay. So, gonna let me go, or all right? Thank you. Not looking forward to vacuuming in the cold though. I didn't make it very far with my errands, but I did get the car washed. Crystal clear windshield, nice and clean. Very happy about the grow today. Everything looked great, and each one looked like it wanted its own whole tent to live in. All the attention, all the tent. And I feel like they would do better if they had that, but they're scrunched together in there, and see how far they can get with that. We're all just, the whole town's just a little sad because we lost our snow and we really wanted it. Oh, if I'm out later tonight though, I'll be able to see all the lit up houses and stuff. Oh, run into some traffic here. So what's going on up here? Oh yeah, there was that bucket car, or bucket, it's not a car, equipment, construction for this. Oh, is he saying, I don't know what he's saying, but I don't like this. I wish we could just follow the light. Oh shit. Okay, I got a green light, so what's he gonna say? That can I go? Is he going to let me go? Okay. Oh, I see. He's going to use this opportunity to move. Look at this. We're first in line. Whatever he tells me to do, I've got to lead everybody. Ready? Watch my leadership skills here. Okay, guys, he did motion, but then he walked away quick, so I just want to make a double sure and look for some waving and some gesturing and... Whoa. Is he moving? Oh. Now I don't know. Now we have a red. Jesus Christ. He gestured. There. Okay. mean, like for a second, even right there, I thought maybe that police was like, I'm gonna go talk to her. She was a bad leader. But he just drove by, so okay. I know what it was. I had pulled too far up after I saw him gesture. I pulled up. It was just like a little too far up past the light, so that I couldn't see that it turned red. And then, but he had stopped and walked away. I don't know. That church is always so pretty. It's like a nice view of the sky up here. All right, see you all at home. I did it. I went to the tractor supply store and I found stuff for my son's dad and my sister. My son's dad just built like a shop in his garage, and I got him a tractor supply company. I'm looking at the sign. Tractor supply company shop stool. So it's got wheels on it. It's specifically a shop stool. I'm going to, not only did I get him that, but I'm gonna assemble it for him. So that's fun. The only thing, I think I got everything. And I got the stocking stuffers and just everything's done. I don't know if I could post this. He watches this, so I have to be sure to not post this till after I give it to him. So I'm going home. I'm gonna be busy the next couple days. I'm gonna get sleep where I can, but smoke something, and maybe then you'll get in the mood. It might be best to go through downtown or something.